It was the release of the Embakasi East legislator Babu Owino on Tuesday that sparked a myriad of reactions both from members of the public and those of the legal profession alike. The court granted Babu Owino a cash bail of 10 million shillings to be paid in 4 installments, each at 2.5 million shillings to secure his release. And Wednesday, the director of public prosecutions, Noordin Hajji, waded into the debate saying that he will challenge the bail terms.
We are going for revision. We are aggrieved as ODPP. And we have also written to the JSC to complain.
The office of the DPP asserts that the ruling made by the court on Monday was abnormal in nature, and his office will take legal steps and file an application in court.
I mean, I cannot fathom it. I have never heard, first of all, of bail terms that you're asked to pay in installments. We want to exhaust all channels that are at our disposal.
But lawyer Biko Ashoya is of differing opinion. He says that the magistrate did not err while making his judgment to release Babu Owino on bail, as it is allowed in law.
The judicial officer is allowed, pursuant to the bail and bond guidelines of 2015.
According to Ashoya, the magistrate had to consider several factors in order for him to make the ruling.
The circumstances for why the bail was given is because, one, it is Honorable Babu Owino that is taking care of the medical expenses for the victim, right? And then two, it would be in the best interest of both the accused person, that is Honorable Babu Owino, and the victim, that once bail has been issued, then the accused person ought to be released so that he goes and looks for that money.
But the DPP thinks otherwise.
Once you pay bail, it goes to the exchequer. So how will we be able to access the money to go and pay for the injured party? It is unacceptable.
The accused person shall meet the initial medical expenses of the victim, and to this end, this is going to be up to the value of Kenya shillings 10 million.
In such a case, for instance, lawyer Ashoya says that it is the prerogative of the court to ensure the hospital bill of the victim is settled by the bail money deposited by accused persons, and this may present a challenge for the DPP to prove his application. The release of Babu Owino on Tuesday, among other cases, has provoked public uproar after banners were found hanged on footbridges along major highways within the city, castigating the judiciary for doing little to expedite cases in court. This even as the judiciary and the executive are still locked in a war path over funding that the Chief Justice David Maraga says has slowed the operations of the judiciary. Victor Oloo, K24, Evening Edition.